Welcome to English grammar class. In this class, we are going to know about dialogue writing. Dialogue writing. Dialogue writing is an important part in daily life. It is useful to communicate with others. There are two frequently asked dialogue questions. They are dialogue creation and dialogue completion. In this class, we are going to know about dialogue creation or how to write dialogue writing. How to write dialogue writing. There are indicators and physical features for writing dialogues effectively. Indicators. Dialogue should have a proper beginning. That means you have to begin the dialogues with proper beginning according to the given topic. Dialogue should be written in simple language. Whatever the dialogues you are writing should easily understand by the readers. Third indicator is include some humorous sentence in the dialogues if it is possible. While writing dialogues, you can include humorous sentences according to the given topic. Use contractions in dialogue writings. For example, I meant, I wasn't. Like that, you can use some contract forms in dialogue writing to make the dialogue writing effectively. Fifth indicator is use punctuation marks and capital letters. That means you have to use punctuation marks, for example, comma, quotation marks, full stop, exclamatory mark, capital letters, wherever necessary in the conversation. Last indicator is there should be proper ending. For every dialogue or every conversation, there should be a proper ending. Physical features. There are some physical features to write dialogue entry. It should be in 8 to 10 exchanges. That means the conversation should be 8 to 10 exchanges. Keep your dialogues brief and avoid long dialogues. That means you have to maintain the dialogues briefly. You have to avoid the long or lengthy dialogues. Each character in the conversation has a unique style. That means different characters in the conversation should have different style of writing. Each speaker gets a new paragraph. Use punctuation marks and capital letters wherever necessary. Avoid unnecessary words. Accuracy of language is must. Let us practice one example. In the lesson Rendezvous with Ray, you read about Robert, who was the director of Chitrabani for 26 years. Imagine you are an artist and got a chance to converse with him. Based on the given situation, you need to make a conversation. And this conversation is from Rendezvous with Ray lesson. This is the format of dialogue writing. Observe the format carefully. You can remember the indicator and physical features of writing dialogue entry. Here we have begun the dialogue properly and we used the punctuation marks and capital letters wherever necessary, and whatever the indicators and physical features are there, we followed everything correctly. I hope all of you understood about how to write dialogue writing. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.